What is going on, y'all? Safety Steve here. We're back in the classroom again today, and I have the most amazing personal trainer that you can get, guys. This is the Mantis X10 Elite. It works with pistols, rifles, shotguns, anything you can think of, and it digitally tracks all of your movement. As always, guys, I'm going to put the links all down in the description below. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Let's break into this bad boy, guys. All right, let's bust into it. So we have really nice packaging, guys. Gives you all the details on the back. All right, so we got a quick start guide. Tells you that you need to download the Mantis X app on the App Store or Google Play. Attach the Mantis X smart sensor to your firearm, and then open the app and follow the instructions. It's really easy, guys. All you do is hit the button on the bottom of the device and it pairs with your phone and links right up, no problem. So from there we get a really nice travel case. Open it up and we have the actual device itself. So that's the button that you press right there. This is a quick release, so it attaches to your Picatinny rail real quick and real easy. And then you have the charging port on the back. This thing's super tiny, guys. It really doesn't add any weight at all. I mean, this thing is super light. So from there, we have our Picatinny rail attachment. So if you're running a shotgun or something and you don't have a Picatinny rail, you can attach this to it, and it gives you one so that you can attach the Mantis X10 to your device that doesn't have a rail. So we have all of these rubber pieces right here, different thicknesses. So that's going to help protect your barrel, whatnot. From there, guys, we have a universal Picatinny rail here with a screw, cleaning cloth. Again, you have your instructions in there with that. And then we have extra screws, Allen wrench, everything you need to attach your Picatinny rail. And that's about it, guys. So we're going to get this thing charged up. We're going to show you how to link it up to your phone. And then we're going to do some dry fire practice, and we will do some live fire practice. Another thing, guys, so this quick attachment, I have a couple different firearms here with us. As always, they're safe, no live ammunition anywhere around us, just to show you how quick and easy these will attach. So all you do is you pull that lever down and you slide it over your rail. You can keep it at the top, or you can slide it all the way to the bottom. Just make sure that that clicks into space. Alright, so here's a M9, same exact thing, lock there on the front, or we can bring it all the way to the back. And then here's a 1911, same exact thing, locks to the front or goes all the way back to the rear. Alright guys, let's get this charged up and then we'll be right back. Hey y'all, we're back. We got it all charged up. So first things first, we have no live ammunition anywhere around us since we're going to be doing dry fire practice. Our firearms are completely empty, completely safe. So we'll go ahead and close the slides on these. Alright guys, so first things first, we're going to take our Mantis X10 and we are going to attach it to our rail on our SIG P320 X-Carry Spectre Edition. So it just mounts on just like so. We'll flip it over here. Next thing, we'll grab our phone. We'll open it up and we will go to the Mantis app. So from here it says connect. So you're just going to push the button here and you're gonna see it blinking green. You're gonna hit connect. And from there, sometimes it says set down the gun on a still surface so that it can calibrate. So you just set it down. And then from there you have the app, guys. Start with the complete basics for you guys. And we're gonna do a Mantis X benchmark. So the benchmark is to measure your precision and performance over time. We're gonna take 10 shots, focus on the precision of every shot. The exact moment of the trigger break should surprise you each time. This drill is not timed. So here, guys, we get to choose if we're doing live fire or dry fire. We get to choose if we're left or right-handed, and we get to choose if the Mantis X10 is mounted forwards or backwards. So as soon as you get all that in there, you're gonna hit start. We're gonna go ahead and prop it up for you guys here. And so this is dry fire. We're gonna have to rack the slide every time to pull the trigger. So now we're going to take our time and just slowly pull the trigger, and it's gonna give us a score. So we're gonna do this 10 times. All right, guys. So our Mantis X benchmark was an average score of 90. So you're gonna hit done, and then you can slide over and it shows you where all of your shots hit. If they were a little bit down right, your possible causes down here. You can press this and it goes into a video showing you what you should do versus what you are doing. And then you have an even more breakdown right here, guys. And then it goes into all of your shots. You can look at how your movement for every single shot. Blue is the movement before, yellow is your trigger press, and red is right after. And then you can add any kind of notes that you want in there. This thing is awesome, guys. It's your own personal trainer. And all you do is go back, and pick another drill or pick another benchmark. There's reload drills, and then you get into your courses. Right now, I'm doing the basic marksman course, which my second thing I need to do is do 20 shots a day for 4 days in a row. So I'm working on that one, guys. And after this, we're gonna go outside. All right, guys, we're out at the range now. We have our Mantis X10 with us and our phone with our app on it. So what I want to do for you guys this time is we're going to do a comprised surprise break. So this is learn to press the trigger quickly. So begin with the firearm on target. Each time the buzzer goes off, you're going to fire one shot as quickly as you can. Prepare for the next buzzer. This drill is timed. You can adjust the buzzer delay in the settings, advanced settings. So we're gonna set it to live fire, right-handed, forward, and let's see what we can do, guys. All right, guys. So our average score was a 91.2 and our average time was 0.56. So this thing is going to tell you everything, guys. Your trigger press, how you hold it, the way you move it. It is going to be a personal trainer without having a firearms trainer. You guys will get your monies back probably within the first 2 times you go out to the range. It is amazing how it helps you become a better shooter. So I'm going to put the link in the description below as always, guys. And don't forget, if you've made it this far, please like and subscribe. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to make this happen. Thank you guys very, very much for watching. If you have any comments, please let us know down in the link and down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, please check out the Mantis X10. I'll put the link down below as well. And y'all have a great week. Safe Steve out.